Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about the sample space and the events. What is a sample space? Sample space is the collection of all possible outcomes. For example, let's if we take a very conventional example of a coin, there are two possibilities, whether it could be a head or the tail. And if it let's take an example of a parking slot. There could be number from starting from 0 till the nth position, which is the maximum capacity of the parking slot. And if we look at the event, what is an event? Event is a subset of a sample space. So let's say this is our sample space. So for part 1, part 2, part 3 could be simple subset of the sample space.